Hi, welcome back to 123 Dream It channel. For today's video, we're going to learn how to adjust and transform an oversized t-shirt. You need a cutting mat, an oversized t-shirt, universal ruler, chalk wheel, 2 pieces of elastic of 2.5 inches and one of 6 inches for the waist, thread, standard foot, and we recommend you to use jersey or stretch needles from Schmetz brand. First, extend the t-shirt and flip inside out. Mark a line in the waist where you'll place the elastic. Now, repeat the same step on the back. Go to the sewing machine and select the standard zigzag or the 3 steps option. We recommend choosing the stitch length number 2. Place the special needle in your sewing machine and remove the flatbed. Now place the elastic where the waist mark is and stretch the elastic when shearing. And don't stretch the t-shirt. The shearing must be uniform. Remember, the more you practice with your sewing machine, better results you'll have. Now, sew the 2 elastics of 2.5 inches over the shoulder seam. As part of the transformation, we're going to cut the sleeves into strips. It may look like this. By last, stretch the strips for a better look. And it's done! Now you have a new t-shirt. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to go to 123dreamit.com.